series. Today we have a digital stalwart amongst us who have nearly 2 decades of experience in ad tech and marketing. Please welcome Mr. Sandeep Balani, the head of India for Outbrain.
Thank you, Aditi. Thanks for having me here, and thanks for inviting me over the call. Good
Yeah,
morning to everyone.
Balani, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you? I hope things are safe with you.
Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you.
Great.
So let's get started. My first question is, what are the major operational challenges that you are facing in this pandemic phase?
So, as a global company, we have been pretty much online, right? So, all our systems are very much online. So, operationally, we haven't seen much of a challenge internally, right? So, we are using systems like Salesforce, Slack, where our internal communications haven't seen any impact. In fact, when Outbrain started in India, we initially used to work from home for quite some time, right? So, we haven't seen work from home as an option. Been challenging to us. But in terms of the market perspective, because India is a very relationship-driven market, what we are seeing is that approachability towards clients and agencies has become a big challenge, and that's where we are trying to navigate that route. So people are very approachable on calls, but getting them on a video call or presenting something is something which has been a real challenge for us. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's an operational challenge we face as per the market, not internally.
Okay. So the crises have seen some advertising channels suffer more than others. Digital channels appear to still be very popular with brands. What kind of trends are you seeing in the market?
So digital definitely is a beneficiary of the overall trend which is happening right now, where people are more online and more working from home. The major trends that we are seeing is that people are playing more online games. People are watching more OTT platforms. People are going to a lot of finance, technology, and health sites. Definitely, they need to recreate the entire working structure that they have, right? So they need to take care of their health. They need more tools in terms of technology that they need to kind of work right now. They need to take care of their finances during this challenging times. So I think these trends are something which are very obvious as per the market, right? So I mean, those are the trends that we are seeing. We are seeing a big spike in the page views from the publisher side. We have publishers like Money Control on our network, so we have seen around 70% spike in their page views. So that's very interesting to us. Is going to Corona pages, a lot of page view spike is happening due to that news factor, right? So we are trying to capitalize on these trends, and we are devising strategies to target certain categories which during the lockdown is not getting impacted. So yeah.
So what are the sectors that are advertising more and how much of an increase have you seen in the digital advertising in past 2 months?
So apps are a very good example of the segment that has adapted very well to crisis. On the Outbrain native platform, globally, we are seeing that brands who are adapting to this crisis, testing new images, headlines, or targeting, are getting excellent results, far beyond just downloads. And unsurprisingly, on average, between February and March, we saw lower cost per install across the board. Right, ranging from 33% to 70% lower because the inventory is pretty I mean, cheaply available right now. And we are seeing education apps, gaming apps trying to build momentum during these particular time, right? So a lot of online education is kind of growing in our overall medium, right? And we are seeing gaming as a big category, which is kind of building momentum here. So yeah.
Okay. So would you like to share any ideas in building a multi-channel marketing strategy for specific set of audience?
Multi-channel marketing definitely. I mean, with a digital focus would make more sense right now. As I said, outdoor and print medium have been, badly impacted. So, I mean, those channels are completely where advertisers cannot look at right now. But yes, in terms of digital, I think they can build avenues around building great video content, using digital as a great medium to reach out to users, which they previously haven't tested out, right? I mean, there is a lot of space around native advertising platforms like Outbrain. We also launched Zementa DSP into the Indian market,
Yeah.
right? So that's where there is a lot of space for brands to test out new budget, right? And also use a lot of data along with this, right? So data can be a great strategy where during these critical times, they can understand consumption patterns of users and how users are changing from spending mode to a survival mode. I think that's a bigger challenge that brands are facing right now. That during this change in user behavior, how do they kind of plan their this multi-channel marketing strategy?
So what is the biggest challenge for the industry?
So the biggest challenge for the industry right now, I believe, is firstly certainty around when the lockdown is going to end, right? So right now, what we are seeing is unprecedented level of disruptions happening across industries, right? And even normal behavior is not being seen. It's a clear panic mode, and it's no secret that advertising plays a very critical role to sustain journalism, but during this time of COVID, it has caused many brands to halt their marketing budgets altogether for the fear of associating with the pandemic and mishandling how to best address consumers under these circumstances, right? And more important than ever before now is not the time that brands needs to shy away from advertising. In fact, as I mentioned previously, that right now the inventory is most cheaply available because there are not a lot of brands present, right? And studies have shown time and again that marketing during times of crisis help increase brand sales through that recessionary period and beyond it, right? So, I mean, one of the things that all of us are seeing is now on Doordarshan, because we see Ramayan and we see Amul advertising, right? So,
Yeah.
I think they are making the most of during these tough times. It's not that they are going to sell their all their products during these times because people essentially would buy milk, but during these tough times they are utilizing these mediums to ensure that they reach out to their audiences and use the inventory which is suddenly come up, right? So Ramayan was not being played before the crisis, but it is at the right time to utilize this particular moment to target their users who are just sitting at home and watching Ramayan. So that's very
Yeah.
interesting.
So, what would you advise brand to adapt their advertising during this period?
So many brands have suddenly gone silent, unsure of what to communicate to their users during this crisis. Only 8% of consumers felt that brands should stop advertising during this period in the research that we had done. Right? We believe brands should stand out positively and confidently during this time and not shy away from crisis. Brands should build strategies for how to connect with the consumers and achieve long-term brand impact at this point in time. Because, as I said, because a lot of not a lot of brands are active right now, there is not a lot of noise happening, right?
Mm.
So consumers who see the brands advertising at this point in time will definitely have a better brand recall for those brands. And I think that is really interesting how these brands can stand out during the time of crisis, right? And a 2019 global brand loyalty survey found that 77 of consumers want brand to talk about how they can be helpful in new temporary normal. Another 75% want brands inform about their efforts in addressing the situation, and 70% want brands to offer a reassuring tone. Right. So, I mean, as I said, consumers are looking for brands to be present, right? And I think some brands do have an opportunity who have, not advertised before to, utilize this time to be on television, be on digital, and tap their consumers, which and not shy away from them right now because consumers are totally available. They have all their eyeballs on the internet, on television,
Yes, yes.
and they should capture this trend rather than shy away from it.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Balani. That was the last question of this episode. Thank you for your
Well,
time. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you again. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
take care, Aditi. Bye bye.